YouTube, my name is Mo Crypto. Today we're going to be looking at Verasity. So Verasity has been increasing rapidly. I got in at a decent time as well, so at about 1.5 cents. So I've pretty much doubled my investment on that already. Okay, now I'm going to be going through exactly what I think you should be doing next. Should you stay in this coin? Should you buy more? Should you buy less? Should you realize your profits if you were in this coin already? Okay, now I know loads of people, when they see hype, when they see an uprun like this, get very excited and sometimes can make panic decisions as well. I've done that before. We've all done that before. Okay, so I just want to clarify what I feel like this coin is going to be doing long term. Okay, firstly, I just want to say I'm going to link my Discord down below. It's a new Discord. I'll be messaging in there whenever I do make a trade and whatever new coins I do feel like are quite interesting. So it'd be really good if we could get a discussion going on in there, right? So it's a new Discord. Let's get that started. And also, if you'd like to like and subscribe, start raving in the comments below. Let me know exactly what coins you think are going to blow up soon as well. Let's all make a little bit of money together, right? Okay, so far I just want to say any coins that I do invest in, day trading coins, right? So the reason I invest in Verasity is because I do believe in it long term. I do see the potential long term. Okay, so when I see this coin dipping, all I see is an opportunity to buy more. Okay, so all I see is a dollar cost averaging situation. Okay, now this is the sort of ideology and mindset you need to have as well when you're investing in cryptocurrency. Is this a coin that you feel like will boom in the future as well? And if it will, then yeah, you're okay to day trade it. You won't get emotional because you just see it as a bargain when it does drop and you are in a loss. Okay, so the same applies with this coin Verasity. Right now it's at 3 pence at the minute. Okay, and it's got a market cap of about 116 million pounds. Okay, now I see this getting up to around £1 billion by the end of this bull run. Okay, that's why I did day trade this, and I am so bullish. And even right now I feel like it is important for me to make a video on it as well. So let's go through the technical analysis to see what's been happening. Okay, so I've got a long-term Fibonacci here on the 4-hourly chart, and you can see that first peaked at that 0.5 region, and then it's dipped right down below and it's hit this region here at the 0.786 region. Okay, if we look at it long term, now from there we've established that as support. Okay, and from that support we can see we've just been going up and up since. Okay, we've had some pullbacks, a little bit of a correction here, a little bit of a correction here with this red candle, but nothing too major. Right now this is a major point, okay, in its timeline, essentially because we have had 2 red candles in a row on the 4-hourly. Okay, and that's not always a good sign. Now, is it going to stabilize here, or is it just going to continue going down? So I've drawn this trend line as well here, and I want to show you this on the 1-hourly because it'll make a little bit more sense. So it's been sort of regarding this trend line, and you can see from here it's been testing it, then it has established it as support. Okay, and on the 1-hourly as well you can see that it has established it as support as well, and we're going on to our second green candle here. Okay, now what I do see is and something that I'm going to be looking out for in the next sort of hour or so, 2 hours or so, is this region here. Okay, I really want this next green candle to close above this region. If I see it closing above this region, then we can say that we've established a little bit of support here, and it is such a bullish coin that I do see it running upwards. Okay, even more. So what are the scenarios that I see happening? Where should you place your trades? Where should you place your stop losses? Let's draw some paths on here. So hopefully it closes above this. So if it closes above that, then I see it going straight up to about past its all-time high and about to 6 cents. Okay, before it tries to pull back again. Okay, from that. Now that's the best case scenario right now. The sort of worst case scenario, the bearish scenario, which I always like to talk about as well, is if it goes down. I see it hitting this trend line, which it already has, and bounce back up, but this time we will see a little bit of resistance and it will stagnate for a little bit, and then from there come back down. Now, what is the region that I feel like it will come back down to? This golden zone here, the 0.5, and this I would say would be a perfect time to buy. Okay, we have already tested this 0.618 region, so I feel confident that if it goes back down to there again, it will shoot straight back up. Okay, and that would be one of the cases where I'd just be buying more, okay, pumping up my portfolio with more VRA, with more Veracity. Okay, so if you were to place a trade, where would I place my stop losses? If I was going to buy right now, I would place a stop loss of about 25%. Okay, so 25% I feel like is something where you're not going to get a random candle that is going to drop 25%. You can, and it does happen sometimes, but a 25% candle like that is a little bit more rare. It's not just going to be a spike that's going to cancel out your trade and then leave you with nothing at the end. Okay, so I'd say stop loss about 25% at this 0.5 region, which is at about 3.1 cents, 3 cents. Okay, so we can close our trades there and then buy back at a cheaper rate, and then I would buy back around this 2.7 region here. Okay, otherwise I feel like it is just going to bounce back. Okay, I would take profits at, like I said, the 0.6 region, and then aim to buy back a little bit lower again. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my Discord, and if you do really like this channel, please help me and please support this channel. Let's get it to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll be releasing my portfolio as well in that. Okay, and there's some really great videos coming up, some ICOs that I really believe in, some IDOs, some coins that are going to be released and are going to be 100xing as well, and some tips on what you should be looking for in a coin also. Okay, so cheers, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.